Hello students, today we are going to see subject grammar of standard 4th, lesson number 16, subject and object. So what is a subject? Subjects are I, he, she, it, you, we, they, or all the nouns of the person, names of the person, place, animals, or the things. They are the subject. And what is the object? Last part of the sentence. A sentence has always subject, verb, and object. So subject is the first part of the sentence, verb is the middle part of the sentence, and object is the last part of the sentence. So leaving the verb, after the verb the object comes, before the verb the subject comes. So in this lesson we are going to see the subject, verb, and the subject and the object. Look at the following sentences. The visitor rang the doorbell. The dog caught the thief. In the above sentences, rang and caught are verbs. In the above sentences, the rang and the caught, they are what? Verbs. They are verbs. Who or what is asked before the verb to know the subject or the verb. So how to find out the subject? So before the verb, who and what is asked to the verb to know what is the subject. Who rang? The visitor. The visitor. So the visitor is the subject of the verb rang. What caught? The dog. The dog. The dog is the subject of the verb caught. Whom or what is asked after the verb to know the object or the verb. So whom or what is asked after the verb to know the object. Rang what? The doorbell. So the doorbell is the object of the verb rang. So the doorbell is the object of the rang. What caught whom? The thief. So the thief is the object of the verb caught. Thief is the object. So visitor, dog, doorbell, and thief are all nouns. These all are nouns. So subject and object of the verb are usually nouns. So subject and object are usually found in nouns. Now following sentences. Pick out the subject and the object in the following sentences are shown. The monkey ate the banana quickly. So here the monkey is subject and the banana is object. Nishant throws a bone. Nishant is a subject and a bone is the object. The octopus has 8 tentacles. So the octopus is the subject and tentacles is the 8 tentacles is the object. Rabindranath Tagore wrote Gitanjali. So Rabindranath Tagore is subject and Gitanjali is object. The priest blessed the boy, subject and the object. So this way, leave the verb. So leaving the verb, the remaining part, beginning of the part and the last part of the sentence, they are the objects. So read out the sentences, find out the subject and the object, and write the subject and object over here. Okay, thank you.